Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3 of the Gilded Teapot series that I'm doing here. I wanted to bring you up on the second teapot here that I'm working on. This page is not finished, but I wanted to give you an intermediate look before I finished embellishing it off, and also to give you a look at the color palette that I think I will be working with on the third one. I was successful in using the color palette that I showed you for this one, and I'm real pleased with how it turned out. I love all the different colors and everything, and the gilded gold just really sets it off. Let me bring you up so you can see a little more detail in here. As you can see, I have put the gold threads through and gilded the edges, put some little doodads there, gilded the edges out here. I left this plain because I just liked it that way. Then I had this little bit of trim that was variegated, and it had the two shades, and I thought, well, that's perfect, because this looks really good on the bottom down here, and this gold looks really good on the teal up there. I did a just an overcast stitch along here, and then ran a gold thread up under it to give a little bit of a gold look to that. Now, the way I did this and this was I did my regular straight stitching, and then I took my gold thread and with the eye end of my needle just threaded it back and forth underneath those stitches, and it caught that gold thread really good, and it gives me the gilded look that I need. Okay, now what am I going to do to embellish this? Well, I haven't totally decided yet, but I'm thinking about this for the top. I really like that. And then I'm not sure exactly what I will put down here yet. We'll have to see about that. But that will be on the next video. You'll see the finished page after I've totally embellished it, and the midway point of the next teapot. I hope you're enjoying these. I know I am. They have been a challenge for me. This is very tedious little work here, but it's a lot of fun. There's nothing difficult about it. It just takes time and precision, I might say, trying to get the stitches exactly in the right place. Okay, but overall, I think the two teapots are very different in look and in color theme, and they do look like gilded pots. That's my vision here, and my destination is to have a little book with these pages, with as, probably maybe I'll go for 8 different pots altogether, and they do take a little time, so it'll take a little while to finish this project. But anyway, it's coming along, and I think it's so pretty. I just think it's gorgeous myself. But don't I think that about everything? I know y'all quit laughing at me, but I just love it. Okay, let's get a look at my next idea. I say idea because there's no guarantee that I can make it work or it will exactly turn out the way I want it to. And but this is my pattern piece for my teapot. Now this is actually suede, but it's got a pretty pattern here, and I thought if I could lay that inside of a teapot and then do some stitching to bring out the pattern, wouldn't that be pretty? Now, to go with it, I have some gold lame here that I thought might be nice. and also some of this pretty blue. So there's a color palette, a possibility of things that I might use. You know, you just never know, because these lame is very difficult to work with. It is frayed so easily, and hand stitching it is really difficult. But it would be beautiful if I can make it work. So we'll see if that color palette and these fabrics, if they come into reality. It will definitely test my skills with working with this stuff. Okay. All right. I hope, like I said, you're enjoying this series, and even maybe thinking about making your own gilded teapots. If you find videos here of value to you, if you find them entertaining or helpful or inspiring, please consider subscribing and sharing my videos, telling your friends about them, and helping me grow my YouTube channel. I would so appreciate it. You can plug me on Instagram, on Facebook. I'm on both areas, and I would so appreciate your help. Meantime, grab some scraps, and let's all stay scrap happy.